Hi friend, my name is Diptendu Acharya. Welcome to Cocktail Plaza. Today I am going to tell you a strong cocktail, Long Island iced tea. For Long Island iced tea, what you need? 20 ml of gin, 20 ml of vodka, 20 ml of Bacardi white rum, 15 ml of triple sec syrup, 60 ml of cranberry juice and Sprite. What you will do? Take a cocktail shaker, add 8 to 10 cubes of ice. In this cocktail you have to add more ice cube. What you will do? Add 20 ml of gin, 20 ml of vodka and 20 ml of white rum, 50 ml of triple sec syrup and 60 ml of cranberry juice. 60 ml of cranberry juice and shake the cocktail. You have to shake more time for this cocktail and pour it to a tall glass. And fill the glass with Sprite. Slowly fill the glass with Sprite. Garnish with lime slice and on straw. This is the Long Island iced tea. I hope you like this cocktail.